Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is being hacked. So first to do that, you have to tap on the phone button. Then I'm going to dial this particular code, which is *6 2#. Then I'm going to tap, then give it a few minutes to load. Then you can see these are the inbuilt settings. You can see settings, interrogation, succeeded, voice call forwarding. Then you check here and check the available information and see the formation data you seek for. You can see disable, enable, which is the normal data settings. Then setting interrogation succeeded, you can see disable and disable. The only part that is enabled, which is for the normal phone carrier, you can see up here to settings, interrogation succeeded, voice call forwarding, when unreachable, call forwarded. So if you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.